Hello folks, welcome to another episode of gameplay here on Airsoft Ninja's channel.
Going in.
Where I will give you footage, reviews, and strategies on airsoft parks and events in Southern California and beyond. I'm back here today at Code Red Airsoft on the dress up walk-on games, and the funny thing is only very few people were actually dressed up to play, although it says on the website come dress up, everybody dress up as far away from military as possible. There was only me who dressed up as Dr. House and my friend Legion, whom most of you know, whom you've played with before or seen on this channel. He's dressed up as a pirate with a gas mask, so that was kind of funny, but we don't really see a whole lot of people dress up. Nonetheless, we stayed in character and had fun, and that was the aim of our day.
You didn't shot me anyways.
Now on this videos, we were focused on having fun, like I said, so we didn't use a whole lot of strategies. Yeah, there's some close range tag team movements here.
Go, 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 go!
But that's about it. You wouldn't go into a gunfight with a crane and walking around like you're limping. You would definitely communicate with your tag team player a little more than what I'm doing. And so we're not using a whole lot of strategies, we were just messing around. And embarrassingly, I didn't even bother to find out exactly where Legion is in here, and I end up killing him with a grenade.
What?
I'm on your team!
I'm
There's
sorry,
guys in front of you.
Legion.
Grenade! Head!
So yeah, that example, don't do that. Don't throw in a grenade randomly and end up killing your teammate. If you're moving in tag team, make sure you communicate with your tag team-er. But yeah, like I said, we're running around trying to have fun. That's about it.
Go! Move, 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 move!
So at this point, I'm still limping around like I'm Dr. House, still running around with a limp, holding a gun on the other hand. It's kind of funny, but here's the fun part. How many people can say they got killed by a cane on the field? Well, let's go ahead and skip to that part.
On your left.
Legion see someone and just pirated that kid. I see someone here. And you know what? I'm not gonna count that grenade. I'd rather count that cane instead. Ha 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 ha.
Sorry. You out? Okay. Yeah! The cane!
So here we are on another game here at Trenches. We are at Trenches playing the VIP game where I am actually the VIP, and I am waiting for other players, either on bans or no bans, to come retrieve me and bring me back to their base. And no bans is gonna come and capture me pretty soon. So while they do that, they have their hands on me. But once this guy right here has his
No ban has got the VIP!
Yeah, once this guy here have his hands off me, I'm actually gonna run away and just make a really funny scene.
Hey!
Woo! 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 Ah! Ah! He got me! He got me! Ah!
Come on in!
That's it! No man's won! That's funny, dude. Good job. Like got my head down. It's like pulling a girl's hair.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. My friend Steven here took a whole bunch of pictures and are showing them on this site, so please go check them out. There's also a lot more footage which I will upload on another video which is coming soon.
No man, I'll face you. Yes, I can. Got you. Good job, man.
Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Yeah. Alright.